Hey everybody, I wanted to stop in real quick because I went to the fabric store. I accidentally turned the wrong direction on the big drag where our fabric store is and a lot of other places. I actually thought I was headed back to work, but I took a wrong turn, and wouldn't you know it, there was Joann right across the street. So I said, why not, right? Let's see what they've got on sale. Well, as you know, there's nothing big happening there, but I love to buy their spring products right now because they put it on really good discounts. So, let me show you what I got. Oh, could you die? Could you just die at how gorgeous this is? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so in love with this fabric. So, change of plans from my video that I just posted, I think it was yesterday. I can't hardly wait. You know what? I am always in love with the last thing I bought. And this is the last thing I bought, and I'm in love. But my gosh, wouldn't you be in love too? I'm just so happy with it. So, I have an existing pattern that I really think this could work in. This is Simplicity 8838. And this would be beautiful because that is just the type of pattern that would really, really let this fabric shine. But I've never mentioned it before, but this pattern, it has great details with the pleats and the larger buttons. I think that would be really good for a simpler fabric. I think a fabric like this wants a simple pattern, and I want this to be part of my layered wardrobe that I'm working on. So I picked up a pattern or two. You know, new look is always $3.99 at Joann. So I found this new look 6452. I love it. I would do view. I have to put on my glasses, you guys. I would do view B. I think I would do view B. That would be really pretty with my layered wardrobe. The flounce that it has at the end, well, I mean, just look at this fabric. This is a cotton. I only buy cottons, I've told you that, or rayons, because they are actually made from natural fibers like cotton also. So this is going to be gorgeous in this pattern, new look 6452. I think this is perfect. And I will make sure that it is long enough that it hits me in just the right spot so that it's fabulous if it's layered under something or on top of something. And it would be even prettier if I make that slip I was talking about, maybe with a handkerchief hemline too. So there's this one. Then I bought olive linen. Oh, I just can't stand it, y'all. I just can't stand it. Look at this beautiful linen. It's sort of a medium weight right now. It hasn't been put in the wash yet. And you know what? I have a rule. No fabrics ever make it out of my back entry. They come into the back entry, they go right into the laundries. Utility room is right there. And I thought of you guys. I said, nope, it has to come back to the sewing room, but I'm telling you, I'm going to turn around, take it right back to the washing machine. I always wash my fabric the same way I'm going to wash it after the garment's made. And so I will wash this on delicate, cold, and dry it till it's almost dry, and probably drape it, because I don't really dry my clothes, that any of my wardrobe, I don't really dry it. So I just tumble it to get the wrinkles out, and then I hang it up. So I'll do the same thing with this. This is gorgeous, okay? Lots of things that I've bought, lots of the fabrics I've bought would have a little bit of an olive color in them. So here's what I'm thinking. Excuse me, sister. Here's what I'm thinking. This fabric is really special. I bought this when their spring stuff was 40% off. I got both of these at 50% off. It was still expensive because it's linen and this is a specialty cotton with a design. So no, I did not come out of there without putting a tiny little dent in my account, but I did get it 50% off. This fabric I got 40% off about a month ago. This fabric has a special story. My daughter, Tasha, the oldest one, is getting married up on Mackinac Island in August. So I bought this fabric to make something special. I bought 7 yards of it because I couldn't decide if I wanted a dress or if I wanted a two-piece thing like pants, like a palazzo pant, and then some type of a short, cute jacket. So I think the jacket and pants idea is winning. And when I say jacket, I really kind of, you'll see what I mean. But I thought with this fabric, and there's other prints I have, I needed this sort of olivey color, and I really like the shade of this. But isn't that beautiful together? And if you think these two are also very beautiful together, you would be right. That's another reason I wanted this color blue. I wanted something that I could layer under this. So I have a couple of options right here. The patterns I'm thinking about for these, let's see. I bought some new pant patterns and a new skirt pattern. All of these are new look. I just hate to, I'm not gonna spend, you know, the 20-something dollars and up that the patterns are in real life. So I've got this pant pattern, 6515. It has the slit in the front, which I have thought of doing to the pattern that I had on my video yesterday. It has a side slit, but I thought a front slit would be fun. And I saw this, and it's flat in the front, and the elastic just comes around to the sides. And I think the elastic goes all the way around the back. I don't like elastic in the front. It adds bulk underneath my top layer, my blouse, and I do not want elastic in the front. So even when a pattern is has a fully elasticized thing, I always just put it in the back. I never put it in the front. And so I use half the elastic, elasticize the back, and it always looks great. So I could do these pants out of this fabric or out of this fabric. Yeah, I bought enough of this fabric to do a top and pants out of because I'm crazy like that. So I could make pants right here, and this would be a great pant because of some of the other pretty knits that I have that have some green in them. This pant, or I could do this pant, which I also love. It's an even bigger leg. It is elasticized all the way around, so what I will do is I will cut the front of the waist for just my measurement from side seam to side seam, and then I'll make up for the difference in the back seam. So I could use this. I don't personally care for this on 6625 New Look. I don't like the blouse with the one side is just some kind of a cape type of thing going on. That's not something that I would wear, but I do love the left side of the blouse. So they've got this sleeveless version down here that doesn't have any sleeves. I will probably just duplicate one side, both of the sides, and similar to the way this pattern is, but probably add some fullness to the bottom so that it doesn't lay against my tummy. But another great simple pattern. So we'll probably do a tutorial, a sew along with some of these, especially maybe this one. I really like this one, New Look 6515. Another pattern I bought is New Look 6605. I really like this skirt. What I love about it most is that it has pleats, but they're sewn down at the top. Now I will sew the pleats down a little further to against my tummy, my bulgy tummy. I will sew those pleats down just a little bit more so I get the fullness below my stomach but not on top of my stomach, because that just adds weight and bulk under my clothes, under whatever blouse I'm wearing. So this could end up being a skirt, or this might end up being pants. The top that I would kind of been thinking about putting over them is this top from Mimi G. This is from Simplicity 8655. She's my favorite pattern designer. And I really like this top with the tie string. I think that that could be really, really pretty with those pants. So picture those pants, this tie string top, and where did that blouse go, y'all? This handkerchief blouse. be. I think I've got a winner on my hands, guys. A 3-piece outfit for my daughter's wedding. I just think that those would be beautiful together. That's what I'm talking about, layered wardrobe. So this is going to be my next sew right here, I'm telling you. This is what I'm doing. I'm excited because I'm in love with the fabrics. We'll just have to put the projects from yesterday's video on hold because this has got me totally fired up. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Enjoy. Hope you love the patterns. Hope you love the fabric. Get to Joann's, guys. I don't promote them specifically, but that's about what we have left in our town. But get there. They've got their spring fabrics now 50% off. If you want to invest in some quality fabrics, now's the time to do it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time on the Curvy Sewist. Please remember to like my page, my channel, and share my channel. Please leave your comments. I love to talk back with you guys. And most importantly, watch the whole video and subscribe to my channel because that just helps me get more viewers. And that's what I want, is to be able to share the love, the curvy love, and help more and more sewists learn to take patterns and make them work for our curvy figures. Have a great day.